Man, this nail is like paper thin, dude. Look at that, man. So the goal is not to take off the acrylic too much. That's why, like, these are on good. But man, this is, I haven't seen a paper thin nail like this for a while. Yep, that's why your nail is very sensitive when it cracks and all that. Yep.
I was excited to take in a pedicure until I looked at her toes. After examination, I needed to gear up to remove her 2 months gel polish. Gel and toenail stinks. According to Scientific, they still don't know why removing gel polish on toenails stinks so badly. However, Nail Tech Guru confirmed that is a combination of the feet and the gel.
Me, $5 more. Okay.
They look good, huh?
Oh yeah, beautiful. That color is beautiful. Oh,
You like it? Are you happy?
I'm happy.
So today, your pedicure, we take off the gel, which almost killed me with the smell and all that, and then we eliminate at least 3 bunions and 5 corns. After pretty much, I took care of you. I took care of you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I like this purple.
Okay.
What other purple?
But this purple is different from this color purple, though.
Like, yeah, I know. But
Girl,
this
how
one-
you gonna
I
show?
know.
How you gonna
This
show me
one's
that
so
picture?
pretty.
How you gonna show me that picture and then you pick something way different than
I know,
what that
but this
picture
one's
is?
so pretty.
Girl,
Sorry.
got me all confused.
I know. Sorry.
Don't get your nail tech confused.
I told him that I want extra massage since I'm not doing polish. I also said no to all the add-on he offered. He'd been looking at the salon window the whole time.
Did you know that during the foot scrubbing part of the pedicure is the heaviest part? All we ask is for you to lift up your leg so we don't pull our muscles. According to scientists, your leg can weigh up to 16 pounds, not including cuticles and callus.
Yeah, we're gonna find out real quick how much your pedicure is gonna be worth it, man.
Why don't you have a price range?
You know, because every feet is different. So go ahead and just lay your feet and make sure you push all your muscle on there. So you're looking around, no, go ahead, keep it at where it was. You're looking about $70 for your pedicure, is that okay?
70.
Yeah, that's how much the scales say.
There are a lot of nail techs that cannot do this. Doing acrylic application on left hand. Wait for it.
That looks so good.
Yeah.
Using the electric file on right hand. I am ambidextrous. After giving my client a diagnostic on her feet are clean. She didn't have gel polish on, so I don't have to worry about the smell of gel polish removal. However, she did come in wearing shoes without socks when it's 105 degrees outside. At this point, I'm not sure if her feet stinks or her shoes. Either way, better be safe than sorry. Let's gear up.
How do you like it?
I love these. You really did it good.
You like it, huh?
Yes.
All
How
right.
much will they be?
How much for this? Let me check it out real quick. Keep your hand straight. Something like that. You're looking at a good $200.
200. I only have 40.
You didn't tell me that.
Yeah, I only have 40.